Hey everybody, it's Michelle, Mint and Prepper. Trying to get a little video for you here in my favorite clearance spot at Walmart. I had some other footage, but some people were looking at me kind of crazy. Anyway, if you find some of these, they're earth-friendly plastic drop cloths. They're on clearance for $2, and they're environmentally friendly, so I usually would pick those up while I was here. I already have a couple of them though. And let's see what else we can find. Well, if you're in a, let me see, I don't need a George Foreman grill. That was regular. I can't focus on that, but it's regular 55. It's down to 30. Let's see what else. Another favorite find of mine here. This is 10-piece bottle combo kit. On clearance for $15 instead of $25. I'm gonna pick one of those up and put it in my cart right now. Let's see. They have all kinds of hammocks. They have hammocks on clearance, and they have some sleeping bags on clearance. That's not the best deal. It's only, well, it's not the best one. But let's see. Okay. Well, I have one of these already, but these are handy. Rechargeable, waterproof, flameless lighter, LED flashlight with a carabiner power bank. $20. Regular almost $28 before tax. Some of these blister treatment patches. Regular almost $10, down to $5.78. These are good in case you're out hiking and you get a blister on your foot. It's a good thing to have in your medical preps. This is the area that I'm usually looking in. I got a million headlamps and flashlights. I don't need any of those. Let's see what else I got up there. They have rechargeable headlamps. These aren't too awfully bad here. Headlamp comes with the batteries. $4.81. I like those. Like I said, I have a ton of them. These are a good deal. Actually, this is a, oh gosh, $7. It's camp light, but that's pretty nifty. 2 light sources, 3 adjustable positions, $7 instead of $10. Gonna get me that one. And I see another one. There's another one. Those come in handy since I just bought some new tents. I have a ton of water bottles. Their original prices are pretty darn good on these, and they're good. Nope, there's one of those fanny packs left in there. Tons and tons of lanterns. Oh my gosh, they have lanterns galore. This one is, oops. This is one I'm going to get right here. I didn't pick it up last time. $17, regular $30, and 1,000 lumens. This sucker is bright. And high, medium, low setting, weather resistant, drop resistant, magnetic base, rotating head. And it takes, let me see. Oh, it's battery operated, I know that. Let me see. Okay, 9 hours. I think it takes a couple D batteries, but anyway, for the price of this one, $17 instead of $30. I'm picking me up one. Actually, I'm going to pick up 2. In the cart. In the cart. This is a nifty thing to have. It's not that much of a deal. It's only $13, but it's only a couple dollars off. But collapsible sink. You can use it for a lot of different things, but if you are a camper, that is a good thing. It's almost 12 by 8, So I'm gonna put this in my cart just in case I want to get it. So cart's already piling up there. Again, headlamps galore. This is kind of nifty if you use these. Again, not a huge discount. Regular, it's not that much off, but 3 containers that kind of nest into each other, but I really don't use those. I'll use something different if I'm packing up stuff to take out. If you want to spend a lot of money, you can get a rechargeable headlamp kit there, but I'm not going to pay $50 for that, but I have a million of the other ones. If you have bikes, definitely check out the clearance section because they have a crap ton. I already have one of these too, so I'm not going to buy another one, but 100 lumen pen light, I bought quite a few of those already, so, and I got it for a better price than that, so. But bike parts, if you are a bike rider, they have everything under the sun. They got the wrenches, let's see, they got some tire repair stuff, more headlamps, more tire repair stuff. That's cool. Bike frame toolkit with cage, 25 tools for all those. Let's see. I like that one too. That's a good one. Chain repair. That's a good one. That's not a great price, but I mean, if you're a bike, like I said, if you're a bike rider, they have a ton of them. That's expensive. I don't really know if that's a great price or not, but these jumbo hooks for hanging up your bike, yeah, those are good to have. They have a vertical wall hook right there. That's pretty good. And that up there. And short and fun size, that's what I say. That's a pretty good deal for that, for carrying stuff on your bike. Let's see what else we can find. This is infrared heater, which if you have a generator, solar generator, and you don't have a Mr. Buddy heater, but I highly recommend a Mr. Buddy heater instead. But anything that you can plug into a small generator is a good thing to have. Toys, tons and tons of toys. My favorite place. I am a total seed hoarder. I just got done vacuum sealing about 500 or maybe 600 seed packets, but yes, they have all the good ones. They have, yeah, burpee kind. They have all those. That's us, all body product stuff, which I don't care for. Excuse me. You can find just about any kind of seeds you want around here. They do have, pretty soon, it seems like they'll have the barbecue stuff on, but they have very few of their 20-cent packs of seeds available. They got them over here. This is back in the garden section area here. So they have these little end caps here. This is where their 20-cent packets are. Excuse me again. Oh my gosh. Sunflower seeds. I love to sprout those. I will pick up. Oh, let's see. I'm going to pick up some of those. Yeah, I'm going to get those. Let me see. Sweet basil. I just used that on my salad last night. That will go in the seed storage. And they have cucumbers. They have okra. I don't care for okra. Lettuce. I'm a lettuce fan. You guys know that. I've said it a million times with my hydroponics. And I will be getting a bunch of those. The large cherry tomatoes, 20 cents. Yep, those are going in. They have watermelon, radishes, squash. I'm going to grab some more squash because I like squash. And, oh, give me it. See? Mine. Yep, 20-cent packets. Flower stuff. The only thing I get usually is lavender. Excuse me. I get lavender just because I like, I like to have fresh lavender for homemade. Okay, there's all my other goodies here. Another good deal there. These two lights there. Yeah, this 10-piece bottle kit is really a good deal for $15 on clearance because it's got a thermos, cups, and it's got some straws, miscellaneous stuff, and it's compact. Everything fits inside that little carry bag. The blister things, you can probably find some cheaper somewhere else, but and I did grab another one of these. And also that there. Those lighters are good. You can charge them with your solar charger, a power bank. I have like 70 power banks, all different sizes of them. Definitely worth the investment. Another end cap. These are mostly flowers. I don't plant gourds. They do have different kinds of sunflower seeds, peppers, hot peppers, spinach. Ooh. And these are 50-cent ones, and these are still really, really good. Spinach, yes, I like spinach. So I will be grabbing a few more of these for 50 cents. I plant that all the time. And these tomatoes, I'm looking forward to growing some of these. 50 cents a packet. I'm gonna get some of those. Another end cap over here. These are 50 cents as well. They have cucumbers. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to get that close. Sweet corn squash. I don't care for turnips, but those are okay. Let me see. Last time I did pick up some of these. I'm gonna get some more broccoli. They're 50 cents. And I already have a ton of cucumbers. Sorry. But I'm gonna get some of these peas here. I'm gonna get some more of these. Oops, throwing stuff on the ground. So I'm gonna try to sprout these. Okay. So there's some of my deals in there so far. Another end cap area, 50 cents. I got dill, parsley. I need some more parsley. Like I said, I just vacuum sealed hundreds and hundreds of them, but I want more. Parsley, yes. They have pinto beans. They have spicy basil. I don't care for spicy basil. Dill, obviously I love dill. I'm gonna pick up more of those. Put them in there. I got some cabbage. I'm gonna pick up more cabbage. And let me see. These look like they're all flowers down here. Sunflower seeds. I'm not gonna get any more of those because I have a ton already. This section right behind me is where some of the AeroGardens are. They're about the same price, $79 for the small one. I did find something I'm going to use these for. I don't really care for them for growing herbs. The light is way too high to really reach those 3 little pods. These are the size that I have the most of. And but the coolest thing that they do have, if you find them, is if you get, oops, sorry, let me back that up. if you get this one with it's a herb grower 3 pod, it comes with, has 2 different kinds of growing. It has a 3 pod growing year round and a 15 pod for seed starting. Actually, I have one of those seed starting attachments. I'm going to be using that to sprout my seeds and then transplant those, because I think it's 15 pods, and that's pretty close. I mean, I could fill up most of my hydroponics, my larger ones that hold 9, and one holds 12, one holds 9, the other ones hold 6. So that is a good addition. I also did purchase this adapter that fits into the harvest model, that I have quite a few of those out of my 9, and this one is just an attachment. It has everything inside of it. It's $29.99. This is worth the investment. It has irrigation deck, microgreen trays, the felt media. It is a recyclable. The light dome covers, those blue covers, and this has a spicy mix in it. I don't really care for that spicy mix, but I'll hang on to the seeds because somebody else might like them. But this is a good investment for $30 to add it. I can have microgreens really, really quick, other than just sprouting them. Here's another good deal if you look for them. They don't always have them right out where you can see it, but this is the 6 pod that I have. This one comes with a 23 pod seed starting system. So that is a really good deal for that. I think I might have to get me one of these. Another area I check is in the fan and heating section. These little fans are good to have on hand if you don't have larger ways to heat your house, like a Mr. Buddy or whatever. But I mean, get a small one of those plugged in and hunker in the same room and save some cash. Here's a bigger one. That one's $17, regular $36, and that's a 3/60 round. That is a good deal. Oh, might have to get me one of those. Another reason why I come in here, I have this whole room heater. It's got a remote to it. Regular $70, half off for $35. That would definitely be able to keep a large tent. If you're using a generator, 8-hour timer, quiet heat settings, high and low. I don't speak Spanish. Oops, no habla español. And they have these buddy heaters over here. The smaller ones are 3,000 BTUs, but can't find a price on them. It's not the $40 down there, but maybe the camping area will have something. Rain-X. Love this brand. Other places it's like $7. So I'm picking up a few. I always get the fullest ones I can find. Make sure you look through them and pick the one that looks the most full. I'll take those 2. 2 for the price of 1. They're really jamming in this Walmart over here. Sorry it's so loud. But I always go down the fishing aisle area as well, because sometimes you never know, you're gonna find some hidden gems. Good thing to have on hand is some fishing line and hooks. So if you need to do some old school fish catching, then you'll be all set. Not a lot of goodies over here, but let's go around the next one. Okay, I pretty much made it through most of the areas. I think I bought pretty much everything they've had on clearance lately, except for some of these miscellaneous things that are in here that I found today, which I'll make a video of those for you guys sometime in the next couple days.